Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a physical SIM to an eSIM on your iPhone really easily. So first, simply make sure your carrier actually supports eSIM. And once you do, you can then open the settings app on your phone. Then go to cellular. Then add cellular plan. From here, you can then choose the option to convert to eSIM. Or you can also follow your carrier's instructions if it says something different. So your iPhone will then guide you through scanning a QR code provided by your carrier or automatically transferring your number. So once the conversion is complete, your physical SIM will be deactivated and your number will then be active on the eSIM. So you can also label your plan in settings, then go to cellular. So this is then going to help you keep track of multiple lines. So after this, your iPhone will then be using eSIM and freeing up the SIM tray for another line if needed. And that's it. So that's how to convert a physical SIM to an eSIM on an iPhone. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.